Now that our students have taken our assessment, we may want to look at our results. It might have been a check for understanding, may have been a test, may have been a quiz, may have been a homework assignment, but either way we want to see our results. To see the results of our assessment piece, we go over to the control panel and select the Grade Center. Under the Grade Center, we would then go to our Full Grade Center. Under your Full Grade Center, you will see every student that's currently enrolled in your Blackboard site. Now, personally, I find this a bit cumbersome as I have multiple hours or periods taking the same course. To create a more manageable system, I went ahead and created some smart views and broke those students into specific hours. To create a smart view, we're going to go up to our Manage option and select Smart View. Under Smart View, we now have the ability to create a new Smart View. We can name it whatever we want. In this case, I'll name it Hour 7. And into Hour 7, I want this view, this particular Smart View, to view specific individual users. When you select the Users option, it will bring up all of the students currently enrolled in your Blackboard site. To select, we're going to click and highlight the names. However, if you try to select multiple names, you will find that it will highlight only one at a time. To select multiple names at a time, we're going to select our first name, press and hold the Command button, and select the names we want to add. Once satisfied, we would hit the Submit button to submit this as a Smart View into our Smart Views option. Once we've imported into our Smart Views, we can then select the green star to place it as a favorite in our Grade Center tab. When we go to a specific hour in our Grade Center, we'll notice that our number of different all graded assessments actually pop up in our Grade Center. From here, we have a number of different ways in which we can manage the data. If we were interested in how our students did in a snapshot, we can actually select Column Statistics. Under Column Statistics, it will show us the total number of students that took this assessment, the lowest value, highest value, along with our class average. It will also give us a grade distribution as to the percentage of students that fell within each of our different grade distribution areas. Going back to our Grade Center, we find that there's a number of other ways in which we can interact with that data. We can also select within that data. You can also select within that data, in that same drop-down area, our attempts statistics. This will give us a more detailed information about all of the individual questions and what the students on average answered for those items. For example, this first multiple choice item, it tells us that 98% of the students selected the correct answer. This gives a great snapshot at a glance as to which questions gave students trouble and what major concepts they may be missing as you look at instruction. If you wanted to work offline, or if you are more comfortable with Excel, you do have the option to take these grades and export them directly into an Excel spreadsheet. Under our tabs, we have the ability to work offline. By selecting Download, we can then export our Grade Center as an Excel file. By pressing Submit, it will prompt us to this site. We will then have the ability to download it as an Excel file. From here, we can manipulate that data however we may want, or save it as an external source outside of Blackboard.